Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Within Reach, your go-to channel for machine learning and AI. This is the fourth lesson of our Rapid R tutorial series. Today we're going to explore built-in plotting capabilities with R. That's going to include scatter plots, line plots, histograms, and violin plots. So we've only got 3 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, let's set up the data. So we're going to use the built-in mtcars dataset. That's a dataset from MotorTrend that includes information about cars. This should give us some nice data to create some graphs from. Here's the code that loads the MotorTrend cars dataset. And then we'll use the command head to display the first few rows. Next, let's create scatter and line plots using R's built-in plotting capability. So for this example, we're going to plot the relationship between miles per gallon and horsepower. Miles per gallon and horsepower. There's probably a relationship there. So this code creates a scatter plot and a line plot of the miles per gallon and horsepower variables. Next, let's create histograms and violin plots using the hist function and the vioplot package. We'll create a histogram of the miles per gallon variable and a violin plot of the horsepower variable. So to use the violin plots, we have to install a package. So we do that with the install package command, which you only really need to run once, but you'll need to load the package every time you use it. And you load it using the library command. So this code creates a histogram of the miles per gallon variable and a violin plot of the horsepower variable using the vioplot package. And we'll run the code here. All right. Lastly, let's create pair plots using R's built-in plotting capabilities. Pair plots are a great way to visualize a bunch of variables in a data set because they get lined up in this kind of nice table arrangement. We'll create pair plots for the first 4 variables of the MotorTrend cars data set. The default puts the text that gets written on the diagonal very small. So we're adding this to the command to make that text a little larger. You'll see what I mean once I run the text. So this code creates a pairs plot between the first 4 variables in our data set. This is really useful if you're looking for a way to find correlations amongst a number of variables. In this case, the first 4 columns turn out to be miles per gallon, cylinder count, engine displacement, and horsepower. That's a neat graph. Very useful. And that's it. In 3 minutes, you've learned how to create scatter plots, line plots, histograms, and pairs plots, which are very useful. So hey, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like me to go over something else in a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.